Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a video about brakes because it's very important that your car can go, but probably more important that it can stop. And that requires that you have your brakes in proper serviceable condition. Now, this can be achieved a number of ways. Some brakes will be beyond repair and require replacement in terms of pads and rotors, which we can of course do here. And if you're preemptive and stay on top of things, it is also possible to have them refinished. And then that will allow you to get more usable life out of your brakes. And I'm standing here next to a machine which I have no idea how to use, but we just got, and it works really well. This can resurface the rotors so that you can get more life out of them. Or even if your brakes are in great shape, you can also have them cleaned, lubricated, and adjusted to make sure everything's going smooth and that their life will be extended to the greatest amount possible. So if you feel like your car's not stopping the exact way that it should, feel free to shoot us a call, stop by today. We can take a peek at your brakes, make sure that everything is as it's supposed to be, and if it's not, let you know exactly what needs to be done to make sure that's the case.